Hi, my name is Maddie. This is Cooking Lab 4, ice cream in a bag. The ingredients you will need are half of a cup of whole milk, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, a fourth cup of sugar, 1 cup of ice cream salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a gallon and quart-size Ziploc bag, liquid measuring cup, dry measuring cup, towels, and a spoon. You will also need ice. First, you add the half a whole cup of milk, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, a fourth a cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to a mixing cup and stir until well combined. After this step is completed, you will add the mixture to a small zipper bag, and then you will create the ice cream maker. This is a gallon zipper bag. You will fill that bag with a couple handfuls of ice and about half of the rock salt. Then you will place the smaller bag inside of the gallon Ziploc bag and cover it with more ice and more rock salt. You will then close this zipper bag, cover in a towel, and shake for about 10 minutes. I checked throughout the process of agitating the ice cream, and I only needed about 7 minutes and 46 seconds to get the consistency that I desired. This was super yummy, and I will definitely be making it again. It was super sweet, kind of had a strong vanilla taste, and it reminded me of the Chick-fil-A ice cream. I really enjoyed this lab.